Welcome to the project demonstration of automatic firefighting robots by using line sensor along with flame and firefighter for using this fan and also ultrasonic sensor. The main features of this project is the system will automatically follow the line to check with the fire for respective rooms, and once a fire was detected, then automatically it will extinguish that with the help of this fan, and ultrasonic sensor to detect the fire distance. Means when after fire detected, the system will drive the robot till near to the fire, and then it will on this fan to exhaust that. And these 4 IR sensors are used for the line following purpose. As you know that generally 2 IR sensors are enough for line following purpose, but when we are using the 4 IR sensors, that is useful for to take left turn, that to sharp left turn. So generally, so C shape or like that curved line tracking is possible with 2 IR sensors, but when we are talking about the sharp left turns, sharp right turns, then we need to take care of 4 IR sensors input, then only it will possible to take it sharp left or sharp right turns. And the next, these 4 IR sensors along with ultrasonic sensor and flame sensor interface to the Arduino board, and from there we are going to control this robot direction with the help of L298 motor driver. And the whole system getting power supply from this 12 volt 1 amp rechargeable battery. As we say that is a rechargeable battery, so we have provided the charging circuit. Before demonstration, we should keep the battery under charging at least 4 hours to 5 hours, and that is the main sufficient time to charging of the battery pack. So this charging circuit will provide the DC voltage by taking 230 volts AC input, and the light indicated the battery is charging, so keep that for 4 to 5 hours minimum, and then after you can just disconnect this. And let us explain the battery rating. So as we discussed, 12 volt 1.5 ampere battery pack. Each cell consists of, in this one 3 cells are present, so in that each cell consists of 4 volt 1.5 ampere, 3 are in series, so we'll get 12 volt 1.5 ampere DC output. So that is the operating voltage to our DC motors along with exhaust fan, but we required 5 volts DC output, that is required voltage for the sensors as well as for our Arduino board. So for that we are making use of this LM2596 voltage regulator, which is continuously measure the input voltage of 12 volts and convert that to the 5 volts of DC. That is a variable regulator we are using, LM2596. And to on this exhaust fan, we are making use of this transistor board, which is used to control this exhaust fan. And this one is a breadboard to distribute the 5 volts power supply throughout this number of sensors we are using. So in order to provide the 5 volts power supply, we are using this breadboard to distribute the 5 volts throughout the boards. And this robot consists of 4-wheel drive. So 4 DC motors we are using, and in these 2 are in parallel and these 2 are in parallel, so that will be run at a time directly. And so here we have one more feature of speed controlling purpose also. While we are driving the robotic vehicle, if you want to increase the robotic vehicle speed, DC motor speed, just we can rotate this screw in clockwise rotation, nothing but we can increase the speed of this robot. And when you rotate the anti-clockwise, counterclockwise rotation, that will decrease the speed of this DC motor. That will the set point we provided for this project. Based on your line, we can control the speed of this robot. So let us see the demonstration on the floor directly. Now let us check the output on the floor. So place the robot off to this black line and this on-off switch. Right. Right. Now let us check if the fire presents in room number 2. Right, when there is zero fire, then it will check and it will keep on moving to the next direction. Right.